If you've ever struggled with dry, overcooked salmon, this recipe is for you. Today, we're making perfectly juicy air fryer salmon with a crispy, flavorful outside in less than 15 minutes. Stay until the end because I'll also share a few simple tips that make a huge difference and help you get restaurant-quality salmon every single time. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. To make this recipe, you'll need 2 salmon fillets, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, salt and black pepper to taste, lemon wedges, fresh parsley for garnish, optional. Step 2. Season the salmon. Pat the salmon dry with a paper towel before adding any seasoning. This removes excess moisture and helps create a beautifully brown surface. Brush the fillets lightly with olive oil, then season both sides with garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Don't use too much oil. A light coating is enough because the air fryer already circulates hot air that helps crisp the outside. Step 3. Air fry the salmon. Preheat your air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for about 3 minutes. Place the salmon fillets skin side down in the basket, leaving a little space between each piece. This allows the hot air to circulate properly for even cooking. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the thickness of your salmon. Avoid opening the basket too often. Every time you do, heat escapes and the cooking time may increase. Step 4. Check for doneness. The salmon is ready when it flakes easily with a fork and the center is opaque. Salmon continues cooking slightly after it's removed from the air fryer, so taking it out as soon as it's done keeps it tender and juicy. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. And that's it. Perfect air fryer salmon that's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes.